Appallingly.
令人震惊的
Appallingly. Appallingly.
She failed appallingly at the exam.
他考试失败得惨不忍睹
She failed appallingly at the exam. She failed appallingly at the exam. The weather turned appallingly stormy.
天气变得狂风暴雨，令人震惊
The weather turned appallingly stormy. The weather turned appallingly stormy. Better.
更好的
Better. Better.
Aim for a better future.
争取更好的未来
Aim for a better future. Aim for a better future. Feeling better after resting.
休息后感觉好多了
Feeling better after resting. Feeling better after resting.
Busily.
忙碌
Busily. Busily. The streets are busily crowded.
街道上人来人往，热闹非凡
The streets are busily crowded. The streets are busily crowded. She's busily preparing dinner.
他正忙着准备晚餐
She's busily preparing dinner. She's busily preparing dinner. Calmly.
冷静的
Calmly. Calmly.
Speak calmly in all situations.
在任何情况下都要冷静地说话
Speak calmly in all situations. Speak calmly in all situations. Walk away calmly from arguments.
从争论中冷静地走开
Walk away calmly from arguments. Walk away calmly from arguments. Carefully.
小心
Carefully. Carefully.
Drive carefully.
It's slippery.
小心开车，路很滑
Drive carefully.
It's slippery.
Drive carefully.
It's slippery. Walk carefully on the ice.
在冰面上小心行走
Walk carefully on the ice. Walk carefully on the ice. Carelessly.
不小心
Carelessly. Carelessly. Don't handle it carelessly, please.
请不要粗心处理
Don't handle it carelessly, please. Don't handle it carelessly, please.
She sometimes drives carelessly.
他有时开车很粗心
She sometimes drives carelessly. She sometimes drives carelessly.
Cautiously.
小心
Cautiously. Cautiously. Cross the street cautiously.
过马路要小心
Cross the street cautiously. Cross the street cautiously.
Invest cautiously in stocks.
谨慎投资股票。
Invest cautiously in stocks. Invest cautiously in stocks.
Certainly.
当然，肯定。
Certainly. Certainly. Are you certainly sure?
你真的确定吗？
Are you certainly sure? Are you certainly sure?
I will certainly be there.
我一定会在那里。
I will certainly be there. I will certainly be there. Cheerfully.
愉快的。
Cheerfully. Cheerfully.
Greet each day cheerfully.
愉快地迎接每一天。
Greet each day cheerfully. Greet each day cheerfully.
Speak cheerfully to customers.
与顾客愉快地交谈。
Speak cheerfully to customers. Speak cheerfully to customers. Clearly.
清楚的。
Clearly. Clearly.
Explain it more clearly, please.
请解释得更清楚一些。
Explain it more clearly, please. Explain it more clearly, please. The path is clearly marked.
路径有明确标记。
The path is clearly marked. The path is clearly marked. Cleverly.
聪明的。
Cleverly. Cleverly. She answered cleverly, as usual.
他一如既往聪明地回答。
She answered cleverly, as usual. She answered cleverly, as usual. The puzzle was cleverly designed.
这个谜题设计得很巧妙。
The puzzle was cleverly designed. The puzzle was cleverly designed.
Closely.
密切。
Closely. Closely. The two ideas are closely related.
这两个想法密切相关。
The two ideas are closely related. The two ideas are closely related.
Work closely with your team.
与你的团队紧密合作。
Work closely with your team. Work closely with your team. Colorfully.
色彩缤纷。
Colorfully. Colorfully. Dress colorfully for the party.
为聚会穿得绚丽多彩。
Dress colorfully for the party. Dress colorfully for the party. Paint the room colorfully.
把房间粉刷得五颜六色。
Paint the room colorfully. Paint the room colorfully.
Commonly.
常见。
Commonly. Commonly. It's commonly found in nature.
它在自然界中很常见。
It's commonly found in nature. It's commonly found in nature. This type of bird is commonly seen.
这种鸟很常见。
This type of bird is commonly seen. This type of bird is commonly seen. Constantly.
不断的。
Constantly. Constantly. Ideas are constantly evolving.
想法不断在发展。
Ideas are constantly evolving. Ideas are constantly evolving. The clock is constantly ticking.
时钟不断滴答作响。
The clock is constantly ticking. The clock is constantly ticking. Correctly.
正确的。
Correctly. Correctly. Answer the question correctly.
正确回答问题。
Answer the question correctly. Answer the question correctly. Follow the recipe correctly.
正确遵循食谱。
Follow the recipe correctly. Follow the recipe correctly. Crazily.
疯狂的。
Crazily. Crazily. They danced crazily all night.
他们整个晚上都疯狂地跳舞。
They danced crazily all night. They danced crazily all night. Why are you behaving crazily?
你为什么举止疯狂？
Why are you behaving crazily? Why are you behaving crazily? Daily.
每天。
Daily. Daily. I exercise daily for health.
我每天锻炼身体以保持健康。
I exercise daily for health. I exercise daily for health. Set goals and review daily.
设定目标并每天检讨。
Set goals and review daily. Set goals and review daily. Dangerously.
危险。
Dangerously. Dangerously. Don't play dangerously with fire.
不要危险地玩火。
Don't play dangerously with fire. Don't play dangerously with fire. He drives dangerously fast.
他开车速度快得危险。
He drives dangerously fast. He drives dangerously fast. Darkly.
黑暗。
Darkly. Darkly. The forest is darkly mysterious.
森林阴暗神秘。
The forest is darkly mysterious. The forest is darkly mysterious. The mood turned darkly serious.
气氛变得阴沉严肃。
The mood turned darkly serious. The mood turned darkly serious.